Yes guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today what we're doing is, I don't really know. Now what we're going to do is, I just want to kind of like show you what we're doing, what's happening, where we're going, and why it's taking so long, and just give you a little bit of an update so you can like, I don't just want you to see me as, oh, I've got this car and this is what I'm doing. I want to bring you through my life and try and, don't know, if I make mistakes, I want to try and tell you guys so that you can think, oh shit, I'm not going to do that because it fucked his life up. So yeah, what we're going to do today is we're just going to go for a little blast of the park in the Megane, and we're going to go for a little look round on what I'm hoping to complete potentially before I get rid of it, and just like give you a little update on what's going on in that, because like I do love making videos. I've been slacking, man. Like I haven't been feeling too good. I've been feeling a bit down and that, and obviously with the weather we've had like 3 storms. Like what the hell, England, like come on. So yeah, we're just gonna go to the park, hopefully nice open space, and we'll go for a little talk. It's like 4 o'clock, which I can't believe it's still light. So yeah, hopefully it will be quick, and we'll get to the park and we'll show you what's going on. Yes guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the second part of the video. What we are just at the park with the Megane, and I just wanted to show you like what I'm considering doing next to the car. So without further ado, let's show you what I'm looking to do. I'm going to do like a little walk around and kind of like show you bit by bit on what we're going to do, so let's do it. Right then, so let's start with the front end. What are we going to do to the front end of the car? First things first that I really want to do is I want to install an induction, like a trumpet kind of thing there. So it's basically drilling like a circle hole, and then it'll be an air intake. So if any of you are new to the channel and that, what you will know is I've moved the induction kit, and the air filter now like sits behind there, behind the wheel arch. So if we just like cut a hole and put a trumpet, I think that'll do the car loads of good, because obviously it's going to get more cold air coming through via that way. So that is number one that I think I want to do next to the Megane. What I would like, but I haven't really saw it on many Meganes to be fair, is canards. You can get canards for there, but I don't know if it looked too much with like obviously the induction hole and having that there. So I'm not too sure on that one, but secondly, I've kind of like had enough of this splitter. Don't get me wrong, for £16 it has been an absolute sick splitter. I've literally gone over curbs and it's folded underneath the car, but it's just retained its shape. So I'm looking to get new splitter, and I want some side skirts as well. I want some side skirts to like fit in nice and lovely. What else? I do want a little toe strap. I wouldn't mind a nice little yellow toe strap just to poke out of here. I think that would look pretty cool. Maybe even a tinted plate. I know it's not legal, but YOLO. I think it would look pretty nice because obviously it's all black, so it probably would fit in. I'm just trying to go off the tongue here. It's not planned, it's not prepped or nothing. Another thing, take the headlights apart and see how it's all silver on the inside. You can actually spray these black. There is quite a few people that have done it, so yeah, potentially take the headlights apart, spray all the insides black so it will be like black, black, and it'd go along with all the gloss black theme that I've got. And I think maybe a bonnet vent, one bonnet vent like there or somewhere, I think would be pretty cool. And I think that is all for the front end. Front end complete. Let's walk round to the wheels and tyres. I do actually like these wheels for standard wheels. I do actually like them. Maybe I'd consider getting them gloss black. I think they do look nice in gloss black. I would like gloss black. Some Michelin Pilot Sport 4s instead of these Avons. They are really good tyres, to be fair. I'm not going to lie, these are brilliant tyres. Obviously if you ain't got top money to buy tyres, these are pretty good. I would really recommend these, to be fair. And I'm still not happy with the arch gap, so depending on money and all that kind of stuff, I would be looking at potential coilovers and that as well, which we'll see how we get on with that. But more importantly, I've got bushes that have failed on this side of the car, so I've got to order 2 bushes for this side, and then we'll go over that side and 2 bushes for there. So yeah, potentially BC coilovers, maybe even new wheels. It depends what's up at the time. You don't really lose money on wheels and stuff, so potentially whack some new wheels, ATS GTRs, some semi-slick tyres with coilovers would be the absolute tits. So yeah, potentially that. Obviously ride height at the rear, you can see that, so yeah. Gloss black, definitely going to wrap that gloss black. So yeah, gloss black, here we come. And you know, I've noticed with the spacers that I've put on, it throws this, like I'll feel it when I drive, that it will throw the steering like all over the shop. So potentially new wheels to get rid of the spacers and that, because I don't think it drives too good with them. And then the back of the car, I don't really think anything at the back of the car. I need to put my spoiler thing back on. Other than that, it's pretty beautiful, should I say. Maybe spray the tip gloss black or yellow. What do you think? Do we do it gloss black, leave it silver, yellow? Please comment down below. I might even tint the rear fog lights, maybe even the top ones. I think it'd look pretty nice. So yeah, let me know what you think. Right then, so first things first, I'd have a little clean up in here, man. Another little thing I'll potentially be looking at, steering wheel. Either get this one retrimmed. I know Royal steering wheels do nice, lovely trim wheels. Potentially replace that, which would be pretty cool. And I've got this one, but I still want the Big Daddy. This is a 0.1 extender. That is a can of Monster and water, but this thing is for the money, this is a brilliant mod. So yeah, I'll potentially be looking for the Big Daddy, which the gear stick probably like comes up to here, so it's a lot less travel when you're changing gear and stuff. So yeah, seats, I think I'll keep these seats. These seats are absolutely sick, so I don't think I'll be selling these seats. Wouldn't mind some pole positions, maybe. I don't know, what do you think? Would you keep these or pole positions? And obviously the back has been stripped out, as you can see. I would like a yellow cage, yellow half a cage in the back, with some maybe yellow or black harnesses going through there. And potentially take these out and spray these yellow to match the car. And then really just get rid of like the silver, and just do it gloss black or maybe yellow. I'm not too sure. So I kind of like, what shall I say, I kind of like sat there the other day and I was like, oh, I'm feeling depressed, I want to get rid of it and all this and that, and everything's getting expensive, and obviously it's hard to do YouTube videos on the car if you haven't got much money at the moment. I kind of got myself into a shit situation, I'm not going to lie. But it's got like a month and a half, 2 months of like solid like sorting myself out, and then it will be back on it. So the little things like wrapping and all detailing and that kind of things I can still kind of do. Obviously it's not massive expenditure, and if we get any reviews and stuff like that, we can hit it back at the channel. So I'm hoping we can transform this car again. I will be looking to get it mapped. I think the next thing would be map. I've got to get it mapped, so yeah, I think that's going to be the next bugger. RS tuning, or EFI, I think it's called, the tuner. But I can't really think of that. I missed the blow off noise, you know, when I put the blanking plate on and it whooshed and tushed and all that kind of stuff. I do miss that, but at the same time I don't think it was too good for the performance aspect of the car, so I might leave it as it is, because I found that when I come off boost it was like there's no boost pressure, and then I've got to go again. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts on the Megane, what you think. I'm thinking, like, I know you guys, I've said I want to focus RS, I want a GTR and all this and that, but I think while I've got this, I could still be saving money whilst I'm modding it, and then when I go to something else I'll have a lot more money behind me, so it'd be financially better rather than borrowing stupid amounts of money and then paying out my arse every month. So I want to try and do it right. I don't want to make any mistakes, and I want to try and do it the right way, and most of all, yeah, I want to track it. I want to batter it around the track. This in the B roads is absolutely sick, so I have got to take it on the track and batter it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe, man. We're trying to get 10k this year, and I want to make some mad videos. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Peace out, love you all, and see you on the next one. Let's get it. Oh shit, before I forget, I've got other stuff to do. I need to do an oil change, because the dealer who bought it off said they did an oil change, and obviously I want to do it for my own peace of mind, so that is going to be next. And I've got the thermostat to do as well, because when I get stuck in traffic after a decent drive, it does get hot. So they are a common problem, thermostats on these, so if anyone gets one you will know. So I will be replacing that in the near future. And I've got a cold air feed thing to have a mess about, so I'm going to be drilling into the trim, so we will see. And I think that's all. Might go for a sub, maybe upgrade the speakers, don't know, depends how I feel. Wouldn't mind maybe some carbon door cards or something, I don't know. Let's see what happens, guys, and yeah, thank you so much. If anyone wants to message me, speak to me or whatever, drop me a message on Instagram and I'll speak to anyone, honestly. Don't think that because I do YouTube and stuff I'm an arrogant bastard, because I'm not. I want to talk to everyone. The reason I do this is for people like you that watch. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace.